Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert video to audio on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to your app library and you gotta search for shortcuts. This is a built-in iOS application. Simply click on shortcuts and then you gotta click on library here at the bottom left and then click on this plus icon at the top right. After that, you gotta rename your shortcut. Click on this arrow right next to it and then click on rename. Name it something like video to audio. And after that, click on this icon. You can simply scroll the search actions to the bottom and you'll be able to see this eye icon. Click on it and then you gotta make sure that you toggle this button on, that is show in share sheet. Toggle it on and then click on this icon at the top right. After that, you'll be able to see receive apps and 18 more from share sheet. You're going to click on apps and 18 more. And here you're going to toggle all of these off apart from the media one. Simply toggle all of these off. Once done, you're going to click on this tick icon at the top right. After that, you're going to search for another action, that is encode. Simply type down encode and then click on encode media. And then click on this arrow icon. You're going to make audio only. And then change the format to your desired format and then click on search actions again. And then you're going to search for save file. Click on save file over here and then you can simply come out of it. After that, you can head over to your gallery and open your desired video. Here, you're going to click on the share icon at the bottom left. And you're going to search for the shortcut that you just created, that is video to audio. If you're not able to find the option over here, you're going to click on edit actions, scroll down and find your video to audio. Click on this plus icon and then click on tick icon. After that, you're going to search for video to audio right over here. Click on it and you'll be redirected to your files. Here, you can simply open the folder that you want to save the file into and then click on open. In order to check if it worked, you're going to head over to your files and simply navigate to the folder where you just saved it. For example, I saved it to video and now this is the audio that I just saved. So that's how you can convert your video to audio on iPhone. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.